Hello and welcome to this course on Android development, where you will learn about the Android ecosystem and get started with developing Android apps. Android powers over 70% of the global smartphone market and boasts more than 3.3 million apps on the Google Play Store. With the Android app market projected to grow rapidly, fueled by increasing smartphone adoption and expanding mobile internet access, now is the perfect time to dive into Android app development. Whether you're an experienced app developer or a beginner eager to take your first strides in this field, this course will provide you with all the essential concepts required to succeed in the dynamic world of Android app development. This course will also benefit mobile app designers, software architects, product managers, project managers, and other related professionals. Although you do not need any prior programming experience, basic IT literacy will be helpful. In this course, you will gain a strong foundation of the Android ecosystem and learn how to develop and test Android apps. You will start by learning about the Android ecosystem, its key features, and the architecture of the Android operating system. The course additionally provides an overview of the app development process and introduces you to Android Studio for developing dynamic apps. Finally, you will explore the core concepts of Android development and recognize the use of AI in Android Studio. You will gain a comprehensive understanding of the Android ecosystem through instructional videos and then practice the concepts learned in hands-on labs. You will assess your learning with practice and graded quizzes and strengthen the mastery of concepts with reference materials such as a glossary. A concluding final project in the last module will provide you with the opportunity to apply your knowledge to build an Android app. Each lesson has one or more labs that reinforce the instructional videos by applying what you've learned in each lesson. Lab topics include installing and getting started with Android Studio, testing an app, creating an app interface, and using AI in Android Studio. In the final module, you'll integrate all the skills learned throughout the course in a concluding final project for developing and testing an Android fitness tracker app. We're glad to have you with us as you start your Android development journey. If you have any queries regarding the course material, please don't hesitate to contact us in the discussion forum. Let's get started.